Put your
yan,
loving hand
Ganda ng boses.
out,
Para raspi-raspi pa.
Ayan yung Maniskin.
Maniskin version.
Mani ko dati, Maniskin.
I'm begging you to put your loving hand out.
Galing,
no?
you know?
Ang bilis ng daliri.
Bilis ng kamay.
Yung kaya ko lang dyan is yung vocals lang eh, hindi yung drums. Ang hirap ng drums.
Real
yung parang,
drums yung ginamit, no?
Yung parang, I'm begging you, put your loving hand out, baby.
Galing mo rin. Sige, tuloy natin to.
I'm begging you to put your loving hand out, darling. Riding high when I was king, I played it hard and fast, got everything. I walked away, you want me there, so easy come and easy go. So anytime I flee, you let me go. Yeah, anytime I feel, you got me, no. Anytime I see, you let me know. But the plan and see, just let me go. I'm on my.
Ang galing, you know?
Ang bilis ng daliri.
Si
Parang The Flash.
Sir Y.U. Hidayat. Galing po.
Grabe.
Subscribe po kayo sa channel namin to XETV. Ito po yung first reaction video namin po. Marami pa po kaming videos din doon, tutorials, covers, basta related po sa music.
Lahat po all about sa music.
Ayan, subscribe po kayo. Salamat po. Tuloy natin. Ang galing eh.
When I'm begging, cause I don't wanna lose you. Hey, yeah. I'm begging you. Put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging you. Put your loving hand out, darling. I need you to understand. Try so hard to be a man, the kind of man you want in the end.
No? Ang galing eh.
Yung beat lang talaga siguro ang kailangan mong memorizein para magawa mo rin yan. Pero mahirap pa rin. Kailangan mabilis yung kamay mo eh.
Viral siya ngayon eh. 2 million plus views na sa YouTube. Ang galing.
Oo nga no.
Viral na yung...
Galing-galing niya mag-drums.
Kala ko mag-cover
Sana
ng
all.
ano to eh. Tunay na drums. Ganyan pa yung ginamit oh. Lalo pag tunay na drums. Ang galing eh.
Mas mahirap na pag tunay na drums.
Oo, pero kaya niya yun. Drummer yata to. Tuloy na.